Month 9 of my Etsy shop. Let's dive into it. Alright, so the month of November marks 9 months since I started my Etsy store selling digital products online. Mostly Excel templates for finance, productivity, things like that. For the month of November, I had 41 total listings. So I have not created any listings since October. I know, I'm slacking. I really need to put some work into this. Otherwise, it's never really going to change. As you can see, revenue for the last couple months when I haven't been working on it hasn't fluctuated too much. The organic results for my channel, 702 total visits, which resulted in 21 orders and $106 in total revenue, which is nearly a 3% conversion rate. So better than the previous months. But keep in mind that I haven't really done anything. So this is just kind of running its course right now. So then as far as results for ads, I spent $74.51, one of the lowest months I've spent money on ads. And that resulted in 190 visits with 5 orders, resulting in $30.75 in revenue for a 2.63% conversion rate. So now if you've been watching all of the previous videos, I kind of am not a huge fan of spending money on ads, even though I've been doing it a lot and I've nearly spent $1,000 on ads. You're welcome, Etsy. But I have dialed this back to $1 a day because my thought is that if I can get a sale every 5 days from ad revenue at $1 a day, then it's going to be worth it to me. So I'm going to keep my ad revenue at $1 most of this entire month. Alright, so when you combine the organic results along with the ad results, that results in $137.14 in revenue. So not a huge change from the last 2 months up to this month. So if you've been following the channel in these videos, you know that I've started a new job recently. I've been traveling a little bit for that job and just kind of learning the ropes and getting everything handled and situated. So I haven't had as much time as I would have liked to spend on this Etsy shop. So hopefully that will change in the future and I can get more listings on here so you guys can see better growth for this store. But as it stands now, it's pretty much all automatic. I think I might have replied to one message over the entire month of November. So it's very hands-off. It's very passive for me right now. Now, the overall results, 295 orders with $1,455 in total revenue with a 3.53% conversion rate, resulting in close to 10,000 visits with $375 in total profit, which I like to see, and 42% of all revenue comes from ad spend. So there you have it. Those are my results, and I don't really have much more to update rather than to say that I need to put some more work into this. I need to start adding more listings and kind of viewing which listings are selling more, because I probably am only really getting sales off of maybe 10 listings out of the 41 that I have. So I got to figure out how to maybe optimize the other 31 listings better or something like that. So stay tuned for updates the next month. Hopefully I can get some more work done for you. Please subscribe and smash the like button before you go. I really appreciate it. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.